All right, November 30th, 2025. Get at the Lawn Barber today. Unload, then unload. Let's get it. First truck done. Oh, let's do it. All right, truck number 2. Let's get it. All done. All done. Nice and secure. Get at the Lawn Barbers today. Oh yeah, we get you right. We get you right. We get you right. Book with us today.